Hello everyone, I'm here at Care Center, and you can see here this is the view of the Care Center for Christmas, and I'm also going to buy it for my coworker. In his wish list, he want to have a keyboard wireless, so I'm going to buy his keyboard wireless now. So I think maybe we should ask the staff. Hey, hello. I want to buy the keyboard wireless.
What?
The keyboard wireless. Okay. Alright.
2, 3.
Alright. So there are three. How much is this?
This one 979. This one 979. This one 489. And this one 169.
Do you have any cheaper?
Cheaper?
Yes.
Maybe only one. This one only.
What do you think, guys? I don't know. It's so expensive. 160.
Okay.
I'm sure that it looks so beautiful. Oh gosh. This is so expensive. This is 160 ringgit. So I think maybe I would use another one. Then maybe this one. I'm back. This is all just only 60 something.
69.
Yes.
You want to test? You can test it.
Yes. Is this okay if I camera you? You're so friendly. Yeah.
So you have to turn on the Bluetooth lah.
Okay. We're running. This one is Bluetooth one. It's not wireless, but the price is so reasonable. Just only 65 ringgit. So I think maybe I will buy it.
65, not 65, 69.
Huh?
69.
Okay, 69. Okay, or 70. We're texting.
And then connected.
Oh, okay. So how long it will last? Is this one need to be charged, right?
Got the cable also.
Yes.
The
How long it will last?
It's like if got the power, the light of the charge, you have to charge.
Oh. So around 6 hours or
Maximum around 5 hours.
5 hours? Just only 5 hours. But I think it's good because the price is reasonable. I called there and then the price of wireless is the minimum is 160.
Oh.
So expensive. I just want to buy like a gift for Christmas. That's why.
So you can come.
Yeah. So do you have any another color?
Only one color only. This one also white color, all white color.
So I think maybe black one is okay because.
So you can test. Right.
Let me try it. Let me try. See? Wow. Okay. So I think it's good. It's working well.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Alright. So yeah, I think maybe I will buy it. Yeah. 1 month quarantine. Okay. What is the shop name?
Mine
This is. Let's see. Okay.
Mine is first.
Okay. All right. Let's go. Huh?
That's all.
Yes, that's all. Oh, okay. 69.
Cash or card?
Okay, thank you.
So this one got 1 month warranty.
Yeah.
You want to pin or wait?
I think wait. Alright. Oh, boss. Thank you.
So this
Yeah,
one got
guys.
1 month warranty.
1 month quarantine. Quarantine.
If anything like problem, you can bring the receipt and the box.
Okay. So how I can how I can have the quarantine? So I have to
Bring the receipt and the box.
receipt and box.
Have
Okay.
to keep the receipt.
Do you have any bags for me?
Box.
Bags?
Bag.
Yes.
Bags have to pay 1.80.
Which one? This one.
I pay for you.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I need a bag. Okay. Yes. Alright. This is the one ringgit.
Man, tolong jap. Pegang ni.
They're so good. So kind. Yeah. This is the shop that I buy from. It's so cheap and the service is so good. 5 star. Now I just wait for the time for gift exchange a day later. There are around 10 people in my team, and then each of us will bring our own food and our present to each other, and then we hold a party. Actually, it's not really like a party, but just look like that.
She'll be happy. No. Thank you. Secret Santa, bro.
What is inside? We hold a party and then we enjoy the food and then we open the presents. It's so fun, you know.
Did they have decoration?
Like this. What is it? Wow! Why you guys so?
But lucky her lah. Lucky her.
As a younger.
You're 21 already. How much you want to do? 18 or 17?
No, I'm almost 30.
Almost 30.
Almost 30. We are already past 50.
I want to practice 60.
Does she look like 30?
You just took the answer.
Was right?
No, maybe they sold out. If it is a potluck, we have to actually give it to everybody.
All doesn't go there.
Buy a deal.
He has. He got his.
I have I-15.
When I said I was going
You said it's with egg mix. Wow.
I combined two phones, they became I-15.
So yeah, not
My gosh. Here. One more, right? One more.
just
Wow. Everyone.
I opened for about just for photo section cafe.
Before iPhone comes,
And the ice cream.
Wow.
What you just use
Which one?
anything. You just choose.
Okay, my hand is clean. I can go.
the whole chicken? Damn it.
Okay, let me.
a full chicken.
Oh, what
Yeah.
happened to this?
Yeah.
Okay, right?
They killed it and then killed. No one killed it. This is chicken.
Very nice.
Go for chicken only. And then go for your drinks. Salt. Lemon?
Try the lemon.
Lemon is fine.
How's it? Yeah.
Yes, the beginning
It's
is
amazing. But let me test.
Here, there's four.
Oh my god, guys, eat this fast.
5 star. 5 star. You 5 star. 5 star, right? Okay.
Open it. Open it. Open it. And who gave? Me. Oh,
I gave it to him.
Guys, don't be
The
jealous.
person have to give the other person lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be jealous,
That's more
please.
nicer.
Open.
Come on, please remove the price tag next time.
For the bag.
Open.
So is this a gift or yours?
This is speaker.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh.
Coffee blender! Blender!
Yeah.
Bravo.
Wow.
Wow.
We should talk after this.
I was looking for this one a long time. Nice. I love it. Nice.
Nice.
Wow. Thank you.
I wish. iPhone. I think Icebox. Icebox.
Yeah.
Okay, so you know who gave you.
Thank you.
I saw the
Thank you. No, because I saw you taking the same wrapping paper.
Open it.
On.
What you wish. Right.
There were many
Oh!
multiple.
But you wish that, right?
Somebody getting married. Home items.
Got everything. Oh.
This is good.
So from now on, you have to bake for something, right?
Yeah. Everything home. Kitchen stuff. What is this?
Wow.
Nice. This is one of the
No.
to them.
It's not Is it? Are there something more inside?
That's why we just have to check.
Maybe because she has so many
She liked it. That's all the
Alright, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy with your family, your friends, or with your coworker. Thank you. Bye bye.